Welcome to Roofing Quick Tips, where we answer your roofing questions in 60 seconds or less. Today, we're going over the 3 types of Cedar Shake shingles. Let's get started. There are 3 types of Cedar Shake shingles: common, select, and 100% straight grain. The first type of Cedar Shake is common. These are the ones that are made out of just any parts of the tree that are left over, and they have the highest chance of curling, a common problem that plagues Cedar Shake shingles. Next up, we have select cedar shingles. Select cedar shingles are made up of 80% of what's called straight grain and 20% of common. Straight grain, unlike common, is hand-selected that runs with the actual tree itself. It makes it much more sturdy and much less prone to curling, which select shingles, of course, are. Finally, 100% straight grain Cedar Shake shingles are exactly what they sound like, 100% straight grain. And of course, with that, they're much less likely to curl and they'll last you longer than select or common Cedar Shake shingles. Now you know the 3 types of Cedar Shake shingles. If you're interested in a roofing material that looks exactly like Cedar Shake, but doesn't have the issue of curling, then you can click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch our video on synthetic roof systems. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you so much for watching this Roofing Quick Tip. If you want to see a video like this covered, leave a comment down below with your ideas. And also, like and subscribe to help a small channel like us grow. We'll see you next time.